Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss some problems on current electricity. In the first, we will see ladder problem. So already this one we discussed in capacitors. So this is infinite ladder circuit. Like this, between A and B. So how we are going to solve this circuit? So in mathematics, we have this one, root of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus and so on. How we will solve this means this one we will assume x. We have to find this x only. Therefore, they will write like this, x equal to root 2 plus x. From here, x square equal to 2 plus x. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So, this is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then x equal to minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will solve that question. Same like that. Here we will assume. So from A to B, how much infinite ladder is there? From here also, I am taking x and y. So this x and y also will be same. Entire this one I am taking it as x. Now redraw the circuit. This is R, A, B. So between x and y. So which one I am taking it as x? This is the x. Now what you are calculating? This x one. Between A and B also, you have to take it as x. Same like this. Then how these two connected? Parallel. At the time, this is R, this is R. Now this one is going to be XR by X plus R. Between A and B, resistance is going to be X. Now effective resistance, how these are XR by X plus R and R will be there means in series. Therefore, RAB is equal to X equal to R plus XR by X plus R plus R. So X is equal to 2R plus XR by X plus R. What is LCM here? X plus R. 2R into x plus r plus xr. That is going to be x equal. This one you can bring this side. X into x plus r is equal to 2rx plus 2r square plus xr. X square plus xr equal to 2rx plus 2r square plus xr. So this xr will be cancelled. Now from this equation, what we can write means x square, if you bring left side, minus 2rx minus 2r square equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 2r. What is c? Minus 2r square. Substitute in this formula. X equal to minus of minus 2r plus or minus root b square 2r whole square minus 2r whole square, minus will be cancelled, minus 4a1 c minus 2r square divided by 2 into 1, x equal to 2r plus or minus 4r square plus 8r square divided by 2. So 2r plus or minus 8 plus 4, 12. Root 12 r square by 2. 12 can be written as 4 root 3. Root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 is coming outside, 2 root 3. So therefore 2r plus or minus 2 root 3 r by 2. If you cancel 2, then what will be the final answer? R into 1 plus root 3 ohms. So 1 plus root 3 capital R ohms. This is the effective resistance when ladder circuit. Sometimes they will remove this lower portion. At the time also you have to do like this. This is the main equation, means mathematical problem how we are going to solve this ladder circuit. You have to remember this 1 plus root 3 r if they give all resistors are equal. See, next problem, similar model, but Wheatstone bridge model we will see. This is a circuit. They will give some 10 amperes current is going to be entering. This is 2 ohms. This is 3 ohms. 3 ohms, 2 ohms. A, B, C, D. So find the potential difference between B and D, they will ask. Then how we can solve this model, we will see. Potential difference between B and D. So VB minus VD, we want to calculate, let us assume. Then how to calculate, we will see. So here 10 amperes current is entering at A. Whenever it is going to be dividing, we should come to know how these two resistors connected. These two resistors connected in series, 2 plus 3, 5 ohms. These two also connected in series, 3 plus 2, 5 ohms. Now 5 ohms, 5 ohms. Therefore, current will divide equally because the resistors are equal, 10 amperes current. Then how much current is entering through this? 5 amperes, 5 amperes. Therefore, in this 5 amperes current is going to be entering. In this also 5 amperes current is going to be entering. Now, potential difference between A and B, VA minus VB. So, VA minus VB is I into R. So, 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. That is nothing but 10. Next, VA minus VD. VA minus VD. This is 5 into 3. So 15. Now you want VB minus VD. If you want VB minus, this is VD. VA minus VD. So VB minus VD means you have to subtract 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. You can see carefully. You have to do 2 minus 1. If you do 2 minus 1, VA minus VD minus VA minus VB is equal to 15 minus 10. Then see, VA will be cancelled, minus VD plus VB. Therefore, VB minus VD is 5 volts. This is the answer. Okay, if they want VD minus VB, at the time you have to subtract 1 minus 2. So, okay sir, this is these two are equally distributed, therefore we did easily. If these two are not equal means you didn't get 5 ohms, 5 ohms, you got differently. Then how to solve that type of problems? We will see that one also one model. You can understand easily. But this is the logic how to solve the problem. A, B, C, D. So small change is there for that one and this one. So same 10 amperes current is going to be entering. So you can say some 2 ohms, 3 ohms. Here some 5 ohms, another one is 2 ohms or 5 ohms you can take. Now see 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. These two are not equal at the time. How we can solve the problem? So how much resistance here? 5 ohms. How much resistance here? 10 ohms. This is A, this is B. How much current is entering? 10 amperes current is entering. So, but 5 ohm and 10 ohm both are connected in parallel. Parallel means what will be same? What will be same? Potential is same. So, potential is same means voltage across 5 ohms equal to voltage across 10 ohms. Let us assume in this I current is passing. Then what is the remaining current? 10 minus I. So, voltage across 5 into I. So, 5I is equal to voltage across 10. So, 10 minus I into 10. Then see how much I is coming. So, 5I is equal to 100 minus 10 if you are bringing this side. So, 15I is equal to 100. Then I is equal to 100 by 15. 100 by 15 means so 20 by 3. So, I is 20 by 3. Then what is the remaining? 10 minus 20 by 3. That is nothing but 30 minus 20 by 3. This is 10 by 3. Now, 2 and 3 connected in series. Series means what is same? Current is same. How much current is passing through 5 ohms? 20 by 3. Therefore, in this also 20 by 3. In this also 20 by 3. Remaining current here, we got 10 by 3, 10 by 3. Understood? Now, once you got current, you can find same as usual. VA minus VC. VA minus VC. 2 into 20 by 3. That is going to be 40 by 3. VA minus VD. VA minus VD. 5 into 10 by 3. 5 into 10 by 3, that is going to be 50 by 3. So, if you want VC minus VD, VC minus VD, you can subtract. VC minus VD means, so equation 2 minus 1, correct? Is it visible? Yes. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means you will get VC minus VD. At the time, 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2? 2 minus 1 only we should get. 2 minus 1 means 50 by 3 minus 40 by 3. That is going to be 10 by 3 volts. Correct. So, like this, we can solve problem whenever equally divided, whenever unequally divided. This is the next problem. Very important, easy problem. So, they may ask like this. This is B, this is A. Some 2 amperes current is entering. So, 5 ohms, 10 volts, 5 volts, 10 ohms, 1 ohm. Find the potential difference between A and B they are going to ask. At the time what you have to do means, you have to connect this one for one ideal battery. You have to assume you can take this circuit from A to B. Potential at A, VA. So 2 amperes, 5. So we are loop going like this, current also in the same direction. I told you loop direction, current direction same means voltage you have to take negative. Already we discussed in Kirchhoff's laws and balancing condition of Wheatstone bridge. We discussed that concept. VA minus 2 into 5. So battery positive to negative, therefore minus 10. Next, current is going like this, 2 amperes, loop also going like this, 2 into 10. So battery negative to positive, therefore plus 5. Next here, current is going like this, loop is also going like this, therefore minus 2 into 1 is equal to VB. Then you can solve this, this is mathematical calculation. So VA minus 10, minus 10, minus 20, plus 5, minus 2 equal to VB. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 20. So minus 40, minus 42, plus 5. Minus 42 plus 5 equal to VB. So 42, 52 minus 5. How much? 37. Correct? So VA minus VB is equal to minus 37 is going to become plus 37. So like this also we can solve the problem. I hope you understood.